Selecting a new z-axis. With the z-axis option of our UCS, we can now pick the origin point and then pick a point that's on the positive z-axis. And here we have this little base, and now we're going to move our UCS icon to this corner of this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up into the coordinates and we're going to pick on Z. When I pick on the Z, it says specify a new origin point. So I'm going to come over here and click on this origin. And I pick that origin point, and it says okay, let's specify a positive portion on the Z-axis. So it's got a hold the end of the Z. I can come over here and I can hover and I can snap. Using my endpoint, I can snap onto that portion of the Z-axis. And now I've got my Z-axis situated. And so at this point then you can say, okay, I just set the UCS, and you can say, well, I want to move, draw something. I want to draw a cylinder on the face of this, on this face right here. So I want to move this to the center. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to move this. I'm going to pick on this, and I'm going to grab it by the center, and I'm going to drag it, and I want to position it at the center of this circle. So I'm going to do a shift right click, and I'm going to 3ds snaps, go to center of face, and I pick, and now I've moved that over to the center of the circle. Now we wanted to throw a cylinder in there, so I come in here, specify that I want it to be at 0, 0. I want to go with a half-inch diameter, so I'll click on diameter. I'll say it's a 1/2 inch, and I want it to go into the base, and I want it to go into the base 3 inches. Oop, undo that. Let's try that again. I want a cylinder. I want it at the center of this face. I want the radius. There we go. And we're going to drag it all the way here, and I want the height of that to be actually a -3 inches. And boom. Now I have this cylinder in here, and I'm going to pan it up and zoom in. You can see the cylinder's in here. Next I'm going to do a subtraction. I'm going to come up and I'm going to say I'm going to subtract. I want to select the object I want to subtract from, the big base first, and then the item I want to subtract, which is my cylinder. I hit enter, and now I just made a drill hole down into my base. That's 3 inches deep. So another way to move the axis is with the Z-axis option of the UCS icon.